Peace of mind over everything. You see, prioritizing inner peace this year should be your priority. My people, make I talk straight. You see, this life, you no get duplicate. No only one life we get to. So waiting go matter pass. Now waiting fit give us peace of mind. Because it don't reach time, we got to protect our sanity like gold. You see, for this world, we wahala no they ever finish. Many of us, they lose our peace because we they carry too much when no concern us. We they worried about waiting people go talk. We they stress over waiting we no fit control. We they carry other people load on top of our head like onyobru. But waiting peace of mind mean if you no fit sleep for night or enjoy small moment of joy, chasing money like a wish, fame, validation, or even relationships, we no day healthy. It robs a lot of people of their inner peace. Look around. People they hustle like say they never chop. Not only money matter, but they forget say money no fit buy peace of mind. Wouldn't be the use of wealth if your heart no they calm. What's the point of validation from people when no even understand your fucking journey? Yes, now stress. Now you keep pass hunger. Now why area father go tell you choose peace over drama this year? Inner peace. No go just land for your laps like that too. You go need to fight to protect them. There are some things we go help yourself do. Number one, set fucking boundaries, because no be every battle you supposed fight, and no be everybody you fit please. Learn to say no to things when no align with your peace. You protect your space from toxic people where they drain your energy. 2, let go of grudges. I beg. Carrying bitterness and anger, it's like drinking poison and expecting another person to come die. Free yourself from that weight. Forgive. Not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Just focus on what you can fucking control. Because worrying don't solve no problem. Because if you no fit change them, leave them for God. They put your energy into what you can improve and leave the rest. Simple life na peaceful life. Too much attachment to material things, they bring unnecessary pressure. Reduce your need for validation. Live for yourself and not for society's approval. Sometimes now that small moment, good food, laughter with friends, or a quiet walk, they bring the deepest joy. So as we privatize peace, make we also remember, say, mental health is a big part of it. Because if we start to feel overwhelmed, why should we be shy to talk to somebody? Because the strongest warriors, they need rest and support. My people, no let anybody drag into any wahala when no concern you this year. Protect your peace like your life depends on it. Because it really does. Choose peace of mind over noise, over drama, over anything will not add value to your life. Now person will get